Hi students, today I continue the lesson changes around us. Today we discuss evaporation. So evaporation is the technique used to separate dissolved solids from a solid liquid mixture. So this is the technique used to extract salt from seawater in salt pans. Shallow level of seawater is impounded. Slowly the water evaporates due to action of sun. So ultimately salt deposits over the ground we can understand. So evaporation make use of the fact that the solvent in a solution can vaporize at any temperature, so leaving behind a residue of the solid that was dissolved in the liquid. See the picture. Factors affecting the rate of evaporation. See what are the factors? Solar heating, vapor acid to escape brine. Understand? So this is evaporation. From drying clothes to drying fish, evaporation is used. So what is freezing? So water in the freezer compartment of a refrigerator gets cooled and solidifies to form ice. So in this case, the liquid water changes into solid water called what? Ice. So only a change in state from liquid to solid takes place during the freezing of water to form ice, but no new substance is formed. So the freezing of water is a physical change. See, the arrangement of particles in liquid and solid are diagrammatically represented as follows. See, particles of liquid, particles of solid. Understand. Next, condensation. We would have observed the plate that covers the cooked food. Items have water droplets inside. Why? Understand? The water vapor emerges from the hot food and goes up. The plate covering the food items is in relative less temperature than the hot food. Thus, the more energetic molecules lose energy once they touch the cooler plate. As the molecules lose heat, they lose energy and slow down. They move closer to other gas molecules. Finally, these molecules collect together to form liquid. So, condensation happens when molecules in a gas cool down. Okay. So, condensation is the conversion of gas into liquid state. The liquid obtained after condensation can be converted back into gas and heating. So condensation is also a physical process. During this process, only the arrangement of molecules changes from the gaseous state to liquid state. So condensation is a physical change. See, gas, we get cooling, converted into liquid. Then heating, liquid converted into gas. So condensation is the changing of gas into liquid state. It happens by cooling. Whereas evaporation is changing of a liquid into gas state, it happens by heating. Okay. So sublimation. So we have seen camphor being burnt at home, kept in rooms to prevent entry of mosquitoes. Have you ever noticed camphor become liquid at any point of time? It will not. Okay. So this process, there are certain solid substances like camphor, naphthalene that get converted into gas directly upon heating without becoming liquid. So this process in which a solid is converted directly into gas is called what? Sublimation. Understand? Sublimation. Okay. So evaporation, boiling, condensation, melting and freezing are physical process. See the process of sublimation. Understand. Next is crystallization. Though not mentioned earlier, crystallization is also a special form of physical change. The soluble impurities get removed from certain solids by crystallization. The process cooling a hot, concentrated solution of soft substances to obtain crystals is called crystallization. Understand? See, crystallization copper sulfate. Understand? Read. So, further, the crystals of salts obtained by the process of evaporation are small. The shape of crystals cannot be seen clearly. So, the solid substances are usually purified by the process of crystallization. So crystallization is a method of separation as well as a method of purification. See the picture, crystallization. Okay. The next we discuss chemical changes. Okay.